Here is your charger. You'll want to keep it plugged in every night. When you take the hearing aids out, you'll see on the inside it has a blue dot. You'll want to line it up with the blue dot on the charger here. So you're going to rest this in. It just drops right in. You want to make sure that it's blinking green to let you know it's charging. It'll also light up on the front here to show you how much it's charged. Right now it looks like there's only a couple dots, but it will need to get up to 5 in the morning. The right one is red, so you'll line it up with the red dot on the charger, place it in here, make sure that it's blinking green. The wires just sit comfortably in the well there. It looks like this one is low charge as well, so we'll let it charge up all night. You don't have to close this, but most patients do, just to make sure that dust or debris don't get into the devices overnight. Just like that. Just leave them plugged in all night. They're automatically off when they're in the charger. When you pull them out in the morning, they'll automatically turn on as you put them in your ears.